Welcome to On Tilt Trading. I am currently short in Bitcoin, actually quickly approaching my second take profit here. Just took first profit. Click this here, and I'll walk you through what I have trading here, top down. Starting here on the 60-minute, we can see that yesterday, which would be in this area here, yesterday price delivered to the sell side over the course of the entire day. Not really much for a pullback. Untapped fair value gap, untapped fair value gap. We can see here coming into today, which is everything over here. Coming into today, we can see here there's actually, let me move my stop loss to break even here on this position. 104,848. Lower 840.7. Okay, moving my stop to break even or just above break even here so that I have a guaranteed win on this position. But we'll come here back to the hour as I was saying before. 1 second. Sorry about that. The neighbor's dog was barking. Get that taken care of. All right, here on the 60-minute chart or the 1 hour chart, you can see here, this area here, this is the, actually, let's back up. Here, this is the London low down here. This is the London high up here. Let's do that a little neater, and actually we can come in. You'll see the actual lines themselves. So here, where you see this yellow line here, this is the London low. Where you see this yellow line here, this is the London high. You can see with this buy side delivery here, price action comes up and wicks above this this London high, and then closes back within this London high. So to me, this would trigger a potential short trade. I took an entry and was stopped out here in this candle, and then took another entry and was able to hold on to this current position. With that, you can see here on the 5-minute chart, if we come in, I'll show you where I got faked out on the first candle here. So in this first candle, I was looking at this area, and with this area, you can see this price action come down here to the sell side and then pull back. But here there is a market structure shift. But this is pretty late, and I was looking at this area initially, but I was incorrect, because if you look here, there would need to, price action would need to come down here for a proper market structure shift. But price failed to do that. Also, you have this candle in here, this up close candle, which negates anything after this. And my eyes were trying to look for an engulfing pattern, which you see here in this set of candles, but mostly FOMO in this position, even though I did enter it late here. The next position, much more valid. So you can see here when we have this candle here, so you get this wick, and then you get this down close candle that closes below here, which gives a market structure shift here to the sell side. So with that market structure shift to the sell side, I want to look for a sell opportunity. Ideally, want to wait for pullback into this area, but on the 5-minute chart with Bitcoin, once I get a trade entry signal, I take my entry. I don't wait for pullback. It's possible on the 1 minute, but price doesn't even always pull back on the 1 minute. But I prefer the 5 minutes for stronger confirmation than the 1 minute. I get stopped out a lot less frequently. In addition to seeing this market structure shift at this level, you're also getting a balanced price range here, where here there's a bullish fair value gap, and then it is rebalanced here by this bearish fair value gap here. So this zone here is rebalanced. In addition to all of that, you're also getting this 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 candles together, giving an engulfing pattern here. So here I'm seeing all three reversal signals that I want to see on the 5 minute all in one. So this was a position that I was really interested in taking here. In addition to that, I set a take profit here at the equilibrium or the 50% level, just in case price decided to return back to my entry point. In addition to that, I've got my second target down here. This is the order block here that's on the 60-minute. So you can see that price traded into it, but just with the bid, the offer has not reached that price yet in order to fill my limit order. So we'll see here what happens with price. Price has put in a bearish fair value gap right here on the 5 minute. So we'll see if price wants to trade into that and potentially trade lower. Price may want to trade into that and potentially trade lower, or price just may continue lower here from this point. My overall bias for today is actually long. So what I would like to see ideally is for price to test this order block, find support, or find some type of reaction or some type of level in here inside of this order block to redeliver to the buy side, and I would be looking for the opposing price action that I saw here for the sell side signal. So I would be looking for a buy side signal for a bullish market structure shift, bullish balance, or a bullish inverse fair value gap, or an engulfing on the 5 minute. So looking for these in this area down here to go long, and then with that long I would be looking to target the buy side liquidity resting here on the 60-minute high. There's also going to be buy side liquidity resting above yesterday's swing high, which was the only swing high put in yesterday. So there's going to be a lot of liquidity there. So in addition to that, these are coming into near equal highs here. So this would be an area where there's going to be a liquidity pool of buy side liquidity. Now we're getting price returning to the sell side here. And then if we come over to trading history, you can see these are the two positions that I took this morning and then stopped out here. And then these are the current positions here. There was about $1.40, about $1.40 loss here. And then here getting positive trade here with the 50% take profit here on this current position. So currently profitable on the day overall, so a small loss, and then a partial has now placed me back into the green for the day, current position, if delivered to target, would set me up as well. So we'll see how price delivers here. Currently still delivering to the sell side. Less than 1 minute remaining in this current 5-minute candle, and we'll see if price will continue delivering to the sell side to target, or if price will return to the buy side and enter this fair value gap area here. And price continuing to deliver to the sell side here and consolidating. And you can see this area of consolidation here. And getting more consolidation here, showing some volatility. And showing some buy side here. Price consolidating around this 104,000 price area, which is very near to the equilibrium of the price leg to the buy side. Now price consolidating and now delivering to the sell side. Price consolidating in the 103,900 price range. $103,880, $103,850. Sell side delivery with some speed here and consolidating. Further sell side here. 103,850 consolidation area. 103,800. Getting some sell side with speed. 103,780. Price consolidating and buy side delivery here. We're seeing some volatility. And price back to 103,900. Getting buy side delivery here. So there is a new 5-minute low put in here. And a return to sell side, 103,850. Price consolidating here. $103,900. So looking at the price action, I would say it would be more probable price would deliver to the sell side than to the buy side with this new 5-minute low. But this candle could also deliver to the buy side and engulf this candle. which it is approaching doing now. If it does that, then it may trade into that fair value gap above. And there's the engulfing. And now price action is in that 5-minute fair value gap, and we'll see if it will react within this gap and deliver to the sell side. You can also see that on the 60-minute chart, on the 1-hour chart, there's the potential for a fair value gap to form here, a bearish one to form here, which would be a stronger indication of price having the ability to return to the sell side. And now price has traded into this fair value gap here on the 5-minute. We'll see if price will deliver fully to the sell side and allow for take profit down in the order block here on the 60-minute. And getting some sell side with speed. Price trading into the 103.900s, 103.950. And more sell side delivery with speed here. Price at the 103.920 level. So since this is a counter trend trade for me, I'm only targeting points of interest on the 60-minute chart, and not, or the points of interest I'm targeting are not swing points or session highs or lows, but since this was here on the 1 hour, since this trade idea comes from this area, which would be external range liquidity here, right now trading counter trend or back inside of this, I would be looking for internal range liquidity, which is going to be this area here, this fair value gap. So anything in between this swing low and swing high is internal range liquidity, where here and here being the external ranges here. So with this external range being traded into, and there is a rejection from this area, looking for price to return internally. The price can go external from here, but that's not what I'm looking for at this time. What I'm looking for at this time is for price to return internally, and then for price to go from internal to back to external range liquidity. Look for price to deliver back up here after reaching this internal range, and then sweep out the buy side that's resting above here. So anyone who would have gone short as I have in this area, if they have not taken profits, then they would be liquidity remaining when price potentially redelivers to the buy side. Getting some sell side delivery here, price back at 103.920, approaching 103.900. Price consolidating here in the 103.920 range. Price delivering to the sell side since engulfing and trading into the 5-minute fair value gap. Price consolidating here, delivering back to the buy side, 104, 104,000, consolidating in this area. Less than 1 minute remaining in the current 5-minute candle. Price still consolidating, new 5-minute candle. This could potentially put in a high above the previous candle, since the previous candle does not have a wick, it has a flat top here, where the open and the high are the same price. So this could be a potential target for price to sweep now, or price could deliver to the sell side and sweep this on the way back up. But I would anticipate this level here to be swept out either during this candle or definitely with a return to the buy side. But I would anticipate this candle would be more prone to wick above here. And then you can see the same thing with this candle. There's no bottom wick, so I would want to see either in this candle price to wick through, or in a following candle for price to wick through and ideally continue coming down here to take profit here at the 1 hour order block. Whatever is going to happen here, it looks like it's going to take some time to transpire, so I'll likely be back later to update on the position or on any new positions. If you'd like to know more, visit us at ontilttrading.com. Trade safe, trade together.